Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to add a product note to your Bumper website so that customers can drop extra information for you when they're placing an order. Now, first of all, what is a product note? So a product note is something that helps you collect extra details from a customer before you can fulfill their order. So for example, if you want them to add the particular size or color or texture of something, they can write it down in that product note box, and you then get that instruction and that information when you get the order in your Bumper app. So now, what does it look like? I will show you before I then show you how to set it up. So let's say, for example, this is your website. Now, if a customer comes here to shop, they can add a product. Let's say they want to buy this product. Once they click on it, once they click on the product, they will see here the product note box allows them add more information. So you can customize what it should say or what information it should carry. But once they come here and they fill out, say, for example, size 10, when you get this particular order, you will see that information and I will show you where. So now let's go back to the Bumper app. Let me show you how to set this up. Okay, now, so we're back on the app and we want to set up a product note. To do that, come here on the menu option on the left and click on General Settings. When you get to General Settings, switch to Products here, like this. And then here, this will typically be toggled off. All of this would be toggled off. So once you get here, you just click on, you toggle this on rather, and then you can see product notes, which allows your customers to add specific notes for any purchased product. Now, one thing to note is that this is for each product. So once you have this option available, your customers can add notes for every single product they buy, even if they're buying multiple products. So they're allowed to add information about any product at all that they're buying. So once you get here and you toggle this on, you can then write what you want them to see. So right here now, I have, what else would you like to know about this order? So let's just say you want to write something else. Please indicate this fabric type. So this is what they will see when they open the product note or when they get to the product note box. And here, this is the box that's not just them to fill. So you can just write fill here, for example. And then here it says, do you want it to be a requirement? You can say yes or no. So if you want it to be a requirement, you just toggle it on. And that's how product note works. And you just click on save. And that's it. So now what we saw earlier is what we've just switched on here. So now let's go back. Mind you, we've changed the content. So now the content is going to change from what we saw earlier. So let's go back to the website and see how it works. So now we're back on the website. So now let's buy a product and let's try to buy a product and see what the product note looks like. So back here, we click on this. And once your customers do this, they will see this note here. So if you remember, this was not the content we had before. So we've changed it. And now once your customer fills this, so let's say the fabric type, you sell different types of fabric and you want them to indicate what fabric type. Let's say we want silk. So we fill that information. Now, if they don't need it, they just need to click on clear notes and it goes away. But obviously we need it, so let's just continue. So now let's place this order so that you can see what it looks like on your Bumper app when the order comes in. Okay, so now we've placed the order on the website and now we're back on our Bumper web app to see what the product note looks like. Now remember, we placed an order for this particular product. So once you click on it, here is where you will see the notes. Remember, we added silk as our product note. So right under your product, you will see the note of the order. So that's how product note works. I hope this video was very helpful. I will see you in the next video.